And I'm so glad that we have this second chance again. Oh.
Nana Lourdes? Hi, Carla. I thought you said you'd wait in the car. Why did you walk alone?
I have to see the happy ending of my little zarzuela.
Aha, Lola, so you orchestrated all of these?
Of course, I want the best for my apo. Ay, Nana Lourdes, kayo talaga ang cupid ko. You know, Marian, I have to make up for introducing you to that artist.
Sos ko, Beda.
I think you and Carlo are good for each other.
But Lola, hang on. How can this be a happy ending? You know I have to go back to Chicago.
Carlo, you know, if somebody that you love, he will always be in your house.